Hey everyone, welcome to our channel once again. If you want to create anime style characters, scenes or artwork using AI without drawing skills, this video will show you exactly how to do it using Nano Pro inside OpenArt AI. And of course, don't forget, if you wish to start quickly and easily with this service, we have a link posted for you in the video description, so check it out and follow me with my steps. Alright, and now, of course, before we begin, let us talk about what even is Nano Pro and what's it for. So Nano Pro is a advanced AI image model available inside OpenArt AI. So you can see this is the one, Nano Pro, that you can use to create your images. And it's especially strong for anime characters, clean line art, stylized faces and expressions, consistent anime aesthetics. So compared to generic AI models, Nano Pro produces sharper anime details, better eyes, cleaner shading, and more accurate proportions. Alright, and now this takes us to, of course, the important step, actually creating and starting to create anime within OpenArt AI, and of course by using our Nano Pro. So firstly, of course, you need to figure out what you want to do, video or photo. In this video, we'll just go and create a photo, right? So you go image and then you choose create an image. Right, and now this will take us to our interface. As you can see, I have a bunch of images created also that I've made during recording other tutorials for you guys. And this is going to be your workspace. In here, what do we have? We have the credits. Don't forget that you need to buy more credits, because if you're on a free plan, you will not be able to create much. That's why we have the link for you, so you use the best perks of this service in the best way. So just make sure that you have some credits available. But images in general, they won't consume much of your credits anyway, so all good. Now guys, how do we begin? Firstly, you need to choose the model. As you can see, we have a setting model or character. In here, you go switch because the other one is selected, and choose Nano Pro. Okay, just choose it right here. Just click on it. There you go. And now, when it's chosen, we can start creating. So this is a critical step. If you don't select the proper model, you won't get proper anime style results. And now, in terms of how to actually start creating, we have a prompt box right here. As you can see, it's going to be the description of what you want to create and see in the image. And as you can see, what do we now do? In the prompt box, describe your anime image clearly. And to give you an example, what's going to be the example prompt? For example, anime girl character, detailed eyes, clean line art, soft shading, vibrant colors, and modern anime style. Let me type that in. Alright, and now in terms of the tips. Good anime prompts usually include anime style, clean line art, detailed eyes, soft shading or cell shading. Avoid mixing too many styles at once, keep it focused on anime. So as you can see, I have all of these important details actually written in this prompt right here. And then what else? You can also refine the character description if you wish, and you can specify hair color or hairstyle, eye color and expression, clothing and accessories, pose and angle. And then guys, you just go ahead and choose the size right over here. Let's say we just create a widescreen one. Why not? And choose the resolution. I'll just go for 1K and then choose the number of images you wish to create. Let's say 4 and press on create. And as you can see, you will be charged 140 credits for this particular generation. Okay, now give it a bit of time. There you go. First anime girl already here. And let us wait for the other ones. There you go. 2 now. And now guys, if you wish to look at them, you can just click on any one of them like this, as you can see. And you can also scroll. As you can see, we have these arrows. It's processing still the second image. We have this one, pretty nice. Also have some background. Nice, that's beautiful. And we have also this image right over here. Sorry, this one. So pretty nice, pretty cute, and pretty neat. This one is also quite good. And when you're done, guys, you can, of course, post-process it, add anything else. Just like I said, change the prompt and modify it. If not, you just go download as, choose which type of file you want. There you go. Then open it up on your computer, and there's our anime girl, beautifully created using Nano Banana Pro inside OpenArt AI. Once again, guys, don't forget to like the video to support us, and don't forget about the link in the video description to start quickly with OpenArt AI. Thank you for watching. See you next time.